Welcome back to Muscle Car. Today, we're diving into the rebirth of an icon, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air. This legendary nameplate has returned, blending retro-inspired design with cutting-edge technology, and it's ready to captivate a new generation of car enthusiasts. The 2025 Bel Air is a stunning tribute to its classic roots. Chevrolet has embraced the signature styling cues that made the original Bel Air a symbol of American automotive design. The chrome accents, two-tone color options, and a bold front grille are modern interpretations of the timeless 1950s look. Combined with sleek LED lighting and aerodynamic enhancements, it's a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. Just under the hood, the new Bel Air offers a range of powertrains to suit every driver. For purists, there's a V8 engine delivering the classic muscle car performance you'd expect. For those looking to embrace the future, Chevrolet has introduced a hybrid option and an all-electric variant. The electric model boasts impressive acceleration, long range, and a silent yet powerful driving experience. Step inside, and the Bel Air continues to impress. The interior combines vintage charm with modern luxury. Classic touches like a retro-inspired dashboard and round gauges are paired with high-tech features, including a large touchscreen display, wireless connectivity, and advanced driver assist systems. The spacious cabin offers premium materials and seating designed for comfort, making it a joy for long drives or daily commutes. Chevrolet has also packed the 2025 Bel Air with cutting-edge technology. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and a head-up display ensure safety and convenience. The electric variant includes regenerative braking and customizable driving modes, allowing you to optimize performance or efficiency with ease. The 2025 Bel Air isn't just about looks and performance, it's also about versatility. With a range of trims and options, drivers can personalize their Bel Air to match their style. Whether you prefer a sporty coupe or a luxurious sedan, Chevrolet has ensured there's a version of the Bel Air to suit everyone. This modern reimagining of the Bel Air is more than just a car. It's a celebration of Chevrolet's legacy and a vision for the future. It captures the spirit of a classic while pushing the boundaries of innovation, making it a must-see for car enthusiasts everywhere. Thanks for watching Muscle Car. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates on the hottest vehicles of 2025. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.